In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and edit your site using Wix. Many people use Wix because of its user-friendly interface and powerful design options. Today, we're going to walk through a comprehensive guide on utilizing manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com platforms. First things first, open your browser and head over to wix.com. Once the page loads, sign in with your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and follow the setup prompts to get started. Logging in brings you to the dashboard, where all your site management magic begins. From here, you can select the site you want to edit. After selecting your site, look for the Edit Site button within the interface. Clicking this will launch the Wix editor. This is the core tool we'll use today to tweak and customize your site's design. Once you're in the editor, don't let the range of options overwhelm you. Instead, take a deep breath and view it as a blank canvas with endless possibilities tailored to your business or personal needs. Let's start by editing the text on your site. Simply click on any text box where changes are needed and begin typing your desired text directly into the box. The editor makes it intuitive and seamless to adjust typography to better convey your site's message. Next is let's make a change to the images. To do so, click on any image you'd like to update, then select Change Image to upload a new one. This flexibility allows you to keep the content fresh and relevant to what's happening with your brand or personal site. For adjustments to the layout and design, simply drag and drop elements to reposition them. This method provides you with creative freedom to align elements just the way you want. As you move elements around, consider the overall aesthetic of the site and how these changes enhance your visitors' experience. Need to modify or add new pages? Use the Menus and Pages tab. This tab gives you control to structure your site in a way that's logical and easy to navigate for your visitors. You can add entirely new sections or modify existing pages to better suit your outcomes. Changing background is another powerful way to change the feel of your site. Click Change Background and decide whether a new color, image, or video would work best. Backgrounds can significantly impact how your audience perceives your brand's personality or the ambiance of the content you're offering. After making all your edits, always click Preview, found at the top right of the editor. This feature allows you to see how your changes appear live. Be sure to check both desktop and mobile views to ensure your site looks good across all devices, providing a seamless experience for all users. Once satisfied with your edits, the last step is crucial. Click Publish. This updates your live site with the latest changes. Your audience will see the fresh look the next time they visit. Finally, hit Done to confirm the process. Congratulations, your site updates are now live for the world to see. And that wraps up our guide for today. With Wix, you have an extensive toolkit at your fingertips to create a stunning and functional website tailored to your vision. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.